To enter the tub stepping over, position yourself facing the faucets. Grab bars can offer support, or a walker or cane to push down through to step over. Step over the side of the tub, then take another small half step with each foot to allow enough room to safely step in and avoid twisting. To get back out of the tub shower, you will reverse this process. Gather both feet close to the edge of the tub. Use either the grab bars or walker for support. Get your first leg closest to the edge out of the shower. Take another half step, followed by your second leg coming out of the shower. To get into the tub shower using a bench, you will use the walker to back up to the bench until you feel it on the back of both of your legs. You will then sit down, reaching for the bench with your hands and pushing the walker out of the way. You may then pivot on your bottom and get both legs over the edge of the tub. To get back out of the tub, you will reverse this process, getting both of your legs over the edge, one at a time, and pivoting on your bottom to face your walker. Make sure your walker is close. You will then push up on the bench to stand.